Hello and welcome back again to another video. Okay, so I'm so excited. This morning when I woke up, I received this notification from my email that Gen 2 is now available to try it out. So if you don't know Gen 2 is the AI from Runway, which they have Gen 1 and also now Gen 2. Now all you have to do is simply type in the text you want to generate the video out of it. So without further ado, let's jump in and check it out. So here you can see in the home page of Runway, you can see introducing Gen 2. So we just click here and coming in, and we can put in our text prompt here. So let's try something interesting. Okay, so a robot walking in the desert. Let's check that out. So here you can click on generate, and since I'm using the pre, we're just gonna wait for the video to generate. So let's wait. You are given 100 seconds to generate, and at this time Gen 2 only generate per seconds video. So let's check that out again when it's finished. Okay, so our video is done, and let's click on the play button to check it out. You can see how good this robot is walking in the desert, just like the prompt here, a robot walking in the desert. So again, it's only per seconds, but you can generate as many videos using these per seconds and pitch them up to create a beautiful video like this one. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you back again in another video.